Hey guys, I'm Miss Chen. Last time we learned about the stroke length. So today we are going to learn about another error that we always make, which is the number of strokes in a character. When we write Chinese characters, we sometimes add one more stroke. But be careful, because a character with one more stroke can mean something completely different. For example, like this. The first character here, it means sun. And the second one, it means I. One more stroke can make a big difference. Here's another example. You can see only one stroke here can create a character with a totally different meaning. Writing one extra stroke will also make characters incorrect. For example, this second character is wrong. It doesn't exist. This character is also not correct. The radical on the left-hand side is wrong. We don't have the radical in Mandarin. Here's a test for you guys. Here are 3 pairs of characters, but in each pair, only one character is correct. So choose which one is correct and write a word or phrase with this correct character.